if our budding engineers, who are going to be most of the people listening to this conversation, they want to trace out a path in blockchain, what exactly should they be doing? Or, the institutes, are there certain courses, are there certain certifications that they could get into? Or, even during their undergrad program, what are the courses they could, really be looking into so that they can finally build a career path out of it?
I'll share two slides with you, in which basically I have put together if you are an engineering student, what it takes to become a blockchain developer, and if you are a non-engineering student, like business management graduates and all who
Right,
will be
right,
making business decisions, then what is it of a blockchain that you need to know? Now, it's a gradual, and if you look at
right.
the requirement to be a blockchain engineer and subsequently a blockchain architecture, you will realize that it's not going to happen overnight. Acquiring blockchain skills. Blockchain learning is different from picking up a programming language skill or a database management skill. Typically, I said that it's a gradual process. So if you look at a programming language, within 4 to 5 months, you can actually have a good knowledge so that you can start programming. Same goes with database management skill. Within 6 months or a year, maximum a year, you can become a database engineer management guy who can actually manage a database, set up and manage a database. Because blockchain is amalgamation of multiple technologies,
Mhm.
right? And that's where it is. Blockchain skills are needed on technical side as well as business
Right.
side. I've already stated that.
Yeah.
Technical, of course, developers, designer, and architects, whereas on business side, you have decision makers who need to make a decision as to do we need to adopt blockchain or not, what is return on investment, and therefore what is decentralized governance. Now, these are the decisions that you need to make at a business side. First,
Right.
technical side. Let's look at technical side. All right, here it is.
Right. Okay.
Understand one or more blockchain protocols like Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Auto, R3 Coda, and there are, you know, 50, hundreds of them. At least you will
Right.
have to understand one of these protocols, if not more.
Okay.
Similarly, you should know one of the programming languages. The list
Okay.
is here. You
Okay.
should understand the tools like Block Explorer, MetaMask. These are the tools that are there in blockchain. So anybody who is wanting to learn blockchain gets enrolled into any kind of course and all,
Mhm.
they will understand.
Okay.
Working knowledge of data structures like linked list, acyclic graphs, hash tables,
Mhm.
Hyperledger, these are data structures.
Right.
Then, programming concepts like
Mhm.
object-oriented programming, multi-threading, socket programming,
Right.
encryption, and then blockchain concepts like DLT, which is distributed ledger technology, consensus
Mhm.
immutability. When you know
Wonderful.
all or some of this, you are moving towards becoming a blockchain engineer. Is it going to happen overnight? No. In fact, my take has been, and I've been wanting to work with universities where I say that have a blockchain as a running subject in your entire 7 semesters, where
Okay.
along with other things, you actually run, a 30 hour per semester course on blockchain so that by the end of seventh semester, we will be doing a great service to the students and the kids of our country. We actually will be making them in 3 years not just employable, but people who might want to actually start their own organization